have a real shelving emergency, Pete. My computer is on the ground, which is not what you want. If you've ever had a computer on the ground for very much time, you know that that's probably the worst place for it to be. I run two apps on Windows. One of them is called Steam, and one of them is called Epic Game Store. So there's my computer keyboard can maybe be whittled down to have two buttons on it, you know? But what I would like to do is like stick them on top, have like a shelf up here to put those in, perhaps. You know, it's a real shame in the world. You know, custom shelving costs thousands of dollars and takes a month to arrive, and then assembly's a real pain in the butt. And so I was really hoping I could find a solution that could get me something that would fit my exact use case. This is the case. This is our dimensions.
We take this, grab this panel, just pull it out.
Uh-huh.
26, okay. All right, there we go. So we were at 25. And you still want this fascia set up on the top where you've got this like
Yeah.
bucket of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what goes in there? Like a glass of whiskey and some crudité. How much is this going to cost me? This is like a $5,000 piece of furniture at this point.
I think we're at like 400 bucks right now.
Oh my God.
And
Cool.
then you could also do a pull-out tray.
Let's do that. Could we put do you have a rounded corner cube that we could just chop out of the front and the back? This is good. Can we make it so it just
Oh
blasts
yeah,
all
yeah.
Yeah.
And now we just pull it all the way through.
Can we make it go down more to get to the thing? Okay. That's kind of like what we want here.
We talked about engraving venture capital companies' logos.
Yeah. IPO
Now today.
tombstones like a VC. Here it is. It's all built, and then this is the dream right here. I can slide open my drawer, like if I was going to play Silk Song, like you might do, right? I click that button, and then I just turn the mouse off. I go back into the deal, right? The drawer went right back in. Take my controller off the deal. I'm ready to rock. You also have your